we have seen that from linear equation in two variables, we got the consistent or inconsistent line. Means consistent, if consistent, then we can get the two types of graph. That's one graph is intersect at a point, and another graph will be in the coincidence and infinitely many points intersected infinitely many points, so that we got one solutions or means unique solutions or infinitely many solutions. And another one is inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? There will be parallel lines and no values or no solution will be there. That is, we have seen in the previous class. Here you see whether these two equations consistent or inconsistent. These types of things. Then coefficients, you see the coefficients, and whether all the coefficients are equal, then you can get consistence or linear equation of consistence. And also if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it is consistence or inconsistent, also unique. But if there will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to simplicity, then there will be no solution, means graph will be parallel. We have seen. Then in this way, students, let us see this exercise 3. Same exercise 3.2. Graph which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent? If consistent, obtain the solution value. Okay, student. Then you have to find first consistent or inconsistent in the previous classes rule. Okay. Then later on you can find, if it is consistent, then you find the graph. If it is inconsistent, there will be no solution. No need. Then you do this up to 4 problems accordingly, and I will solve the last model 7. Draw the graphs of the equation these. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by this line and the axis, and set the triangular region. Okay, student. This question number 7 I will solve now, and you listen carefully. Okay. Question number 7. Students, question number 7 is two equations x minus y, solution x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the two equation, linear equation given, and you solve this equation by graphically from equation 1. We have, okay, what? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0, or x equal to y minus 1. That is, transposing the sign, you find either x or y. Then you can find the values in points x and y. Listen, at least you find the 3 values or 3 points. 3 points at least minimum. Means 2 points. If you find the 2 points, some books are there in NCERT also. 2 points are there, but it should not be correct things. And graph maybe chances, if one point is mistake, then it will be very difficult to find. That is why at least you find the 2 or 3, more than 2 values. Then y, you put any values of y. So 3. Then x equal to what? 2. 5. Then how much? 5 minus 1, 4. Then 6 or 7, like that. Then 6. Then you find the values of x and y in separate 3 points. It is x and y separate. Now, from equation number 2, we have from equation number 2, we have equation number 2 is given 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, or 3x equal to 12 minus 2y, or x equal to 12 minus 2y by 3. There also need at least 3 points. Okay, at least 3 points you need. Then first you can take here any points. Suppose 0 you can take here, 2 into y. When 0, then y is 0. Then x is how much? Then 0, 12 divided by 3. This is 0. 2 into 0 means 0. Then this values of y is 0. Then 12 remaining. Then 12 divided by 3, it will come 4. Then in this type, you can put this another value. Suppose you can put y equal to 3, then 12 minus 3, 12 minus 6, 2 into 3 is 6. Then 12 minus 6 divided by 3, then 6 by 3, 12 minus 6 means 6, 6 by 3, 2. In this way, you can find these values. Otherwise, in the short techniques, I am giving some techniques also. You can apply, you can see. Suppose one values you got. Okay, student. Then in these values, we add the coefficient of y here. Then coefficient of y is how much? Minus 2. Then minus 2. Then 4. Add 4 plus 2. Then 4 plus minus 2. How much it will come? It will come 2. Then you can get the x, value of x is 2. Automatically you can find. Then with the values of y, the coefficient of x you added. You can add. Then 0 plus 3, it will come 3. Check it whether it is correct or not. Then y is 3. 3 into 2, 6. Okay, student. Then 12 minus 6 equal to how much? 6. 6 divided by 3, it will come 2. You can check. Okay, this is technique. In this techniques, you can find easily whether it is fractional graph, fractional equation will come, then it will be very much advantage for you. Okay, listen. Suppose another you can take. Suppose this 2. Okay, this 2 is x values 2. Then you add minus 2, then it will be what? 0. Correct? Then with this 3, you add coefficient of x 3, then it will come 6. Check it. 0, 3, 6, 12, 12 minus 12, 0, 3 by 0 by 3. Then in this way, you can find the other value. One value is required to find. Must we find one values and other points you can find in this technique, apply in this technique. Okay, student? And otherwise, you can, if it is, you forgot, then you can find directly in the methods of solving. How can you find the point? Okay. Now, we got these two table from equation number 1 and equation number 2. and you plot these points into Cartesian plan coordinate geometry. Okay, student. Now, shall I wrap this? Will you better understanding for you this graph board, but this very small board. Okay. Listen. Now, student, draw perpendicular to axis. Okay. The two axes you have drawn. That is already in class 9 you have seen that. Whether in Cartesian plan, this is x-axis, x o x dash will say the negative values will be in left side of x and positive values in right side of x, and this y means y values means upper portion and lower portion y dash means negative values of y. The plot. That is the, you can say, is distance between x from y axis to any point. This is the which is called abscissa, and x axis to a point which is called the coordinate. Already you know very well these things. And let us start plotting the points. So directly our graph board, one small division we can take one. Okay, in your graph papers you can take 5 small division or 10 small division into one unit. Okay, in this graph scale we can take scale one small division equal to 1 unit. Okay, then 1 here, then 2 3 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 point. That is the distance of y from this point is this is the axis and this distance from x to this point is called the coordinate. Next 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, then we can write here 2 3 must be written here point 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. You can plot like that also. 6, then 4 5 6 7 5 7 then 6 7. Okay, student. Then these 3 points, and you see from equation one linear will get one line. Then if 3 points at least 3 points is required. Why? Because if 3 points you take, then you add these 3 points, then directly you can understand that line will be there. Otherwise, suppose one value is done mistake, then this value will be here. So one point is correct. Okay, then your graph will be here. Directly you can done you have done mistake. In exam hall, you think that is correct, but when you will come in home, then you understand whether it is wrong or right. That is why at least 3 values are required. I am telling you. Okay. Now you join this. Student, you join all the 3 points. You will get one line. Suppose a V. Okay. Similarly, you take 4 0 4 0 here only from 2 equation, and this equation is what? And you write the equation also, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This one line. And similarly, this 4 0 4 0 is 4 0 2 3, it is 2 3, same point 2 3, and 0 6 0 6 0 0 6. Okay, next point 0 6 0 is 0 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 here 0 6. Then you write the things 4 0 2 3 already 10 0 6 point. Okay, student. So you add this 3 point. Then suppose this CD, and equation is 3x plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0. 3x plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. By these two equations, we got 2 line segments. Okay. Then in your graph, line intersect x-axis in 2 points, these points and these points. Okay. That is 2 points. Then question says, determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Then 1 vertices, 3 vertices, 2 3, here 1 2 3 4 4 0, here these vertices will be 1 and 1.5 0. These 3 vertices, 1.5 means 3 by 2, 1.5 3 by 2 0. This part will come in this graph, but in your graph it may be difference, because this rectangular portion is not correct in your copy or board. It is exactly graph will come, exactly point will come. There it may be in this point, this point, but in your board graph it's a rectangular board. Small square, it may not be in uniformity. That is why it may be there. Okay. Whatever may be, you see here 3 by 2. In my graph, it is 3 by 2 0, 4 0, 2 by 2. And you 2, it may be 2 0 also. Please, student, remember. Then you can write determine the coordinates of the body of the triangle. Then friends, write coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. What coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by this x-axis and this point are what? Coordinate is 2, 3, then 3 by 2, 0, and also and 4, 0. This is the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by x-axis, okay, x-axis as well as other point, x-axis and other point. Like and axis and shade the triangular region, and you also shade this triangular region, okay, like that, shade. In this way, you can draw the graphs and whatever the questions given by you, and accordingly you solve the questions. Okay, students? Okay, thank you. And later, next class we will discuss another things of linear pair of linear equation two variables, and I give the task for you. Extra graph, whatever the graph you have seen in another books, you draw accordingly, and you ask me whether you find really confusion. Okay, thank you. Already I have told that this graph board is not actual rectangular or square shape in all the cases, and my line also I have drawn. It may be something different. That is why result may come in 1, minus 1 also. Here minus 1, 0. It may be minus. I think in my graph, it is minus 3 by 2. You write minus 3 by 2, 0 here. There are no problems. In your graph papers, it will be correctly will come, and accordingly you will write. But if it is come 1, minus 1, then minus 1, 0. And if it is come from 2, then minus 2, 0, you write. Here I will write minus 3 by 2. Yeah. Minus 3 by 2, 0. Okay, students.